Are you frustrated with complex workouts that aren't delivering results? It's time to simplify and focus on what really works. Key exercises that drive real progress. You don't need flashy routines or endless hours in the gym, just these 6 essential exercises for maximum muscle growth. These compound movements target every major muscle group and will help you see real changes, whether you're just starting out or are a seasoned pro. Ready to take your physique to the next level? Let's dive in. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more fitness tips that will elevate your game. 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are a classic bodyweight exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. They build upper body strength and stability, improve endurance, and can be modified for all fitness levels. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Push through your palms to return to the starting position, maintaining a straight body line throughout. For beginners, start with push-ups on your knees and progress to standard push-ups as you gain strength. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of as many reps as possible, 12 to 15 reps, 2 to 3 times a week to build strength and endurance.
2. Squat, the king of leg exercises. Nothing builds leg strength quite like the squat. This powerhouse movement targets your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core, making it an essential exercise for improving balance, stability, and overall body coordination. Squats allow you to lift heavy weights, which is crucial for stimulating muscle growth and enhancing your athletic performance. To perform a squat, start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart and a barbell resting on your upper back. Engage your core, push your hips back, and lower yourself into a deep squat, keeping your chest up and back straight. Aim to go as deep as your mobility allows, ideally until your thighs are parallel to the ground or lower. This deeper range of motion helps engage more muscle fibers, particularly in your glutes and hamstrings. Once you reach the bottom of the squat, drive through your heels to stand back up, maintaining your form throughout the movement. It's crucial to focus on proper technique to avoid injury and maximize effectiveness. Aim to perform 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps, once or twice a week, to build strength and size in your legs. 3. Pull-ups, the ultimate test of upper body strength. Pull-ups are a powerhouse exercise for building a strong, wide back. They primarily target your lats and traps while also engaging your biceps and core. This bodyweight movement not only strengthens your back, but also improves relative strength, your ability to move your own weight, which benefits other lifts and exercises. To perform pull-ups, grab a bar with an overhand grip, slightly wider than shoulder width. Pull yourself up until your chest reaches the bar, keeping your elbows driving down and back. Lower yourself slowly and with control to maximize muscle engagement. If needed, use a resistance band for assistance or focus on negative pull-ups to build strength gradually. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of as many reps as possible, targeting 8 to 12 reps per set, twice a week. Incorporating pull-ups regularly will lead to noticeable improvements in back width and overall upper body strength. 4. Bench press, the chest powerhouse. For building a bigger chest, shoulders, and triceps, the bench press is essential. This compound lift allows you to push heavy weights, promoting significant upper body strength and muscle growth. To perform the bench press, lie flat on the bench with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width apart. As you lower the bar to your mid-chest, pause briefly, then press it back up explosively. It's important to keep your shoulder blades retracted throughout the movement. This not only maximizes chest engagement, but also protects your shoulders from strain. Make sure to maintain proper form by keeping your wrists straight and your elbows at a 45-degree angle relative to your torso as you lower the bar. Aim for 4 to 5 sets of 6 to 8 reps, performing this exercise twice a week for optimal results. Consistency with the bench press will lead to noticeable improvements in your upper body strength and size. 5. Deadlift, the ultimate muscle builder. The deadlift is known as the king of lifts for a reason. It's a total body exercise that activates nearly every muscle, making it essential for building mass and raw strength. It targets your entire posterior chain, hamstrings, glutes, lower back, and traps, while also stimulating testosterone and growth hormone production, key for muscle growth. To perform, stand with your feet hip-width apart and the barbell over the middle of your feet. Bend at your hips and knees, keeping your chest up and back flat as you grab the bar. Engage your core, push through your heels, and lift the bar by extending your hips and knees at the same time. Keep the bar close to your body, stand tall, squeeze your glutes, then lower the bar with control. Maintain a flat back and drive through your heels to avoid injury and maximize gains. A strong deadlift improves posture, muscle mass, and performance in other lifts. Aim for 4 to 5 sets of 5 to 6 reps once per week. 6. Overhead press. Build dominant shoulders. The overhead press is crucial for developing strong, wide shoulders. This exercise effectively engages your deltoids, triceps, and core, making it a comprehensive upper body strength builder. To perform the overhead press, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and position the barbell at your collarbone. Engage your core and maintain a straight body posture as you press the bar overhead until your arms are fully extended. Focus on keeping your elbows slightly in front of your body throughout the movement to avoid straining your shoulders. As you lower the bar, do so with control, ensuring you don't lean back excessively, which can compromise your form and lead to injury. Aim for 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps, performing this exercise twice a week. Consistency with the overhead press will help you achieve impressive shoulder strength and size. By focusing on these core movements and sticking to the right sets and reps, you'll target all the major muscle groups, building a strong foundation for both muscle growth and overall strength. These exercises are the backbone of any solid workout routine. Stay consistent with these key exercises and watch your strength and physique transform. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fitness tips.